Falcon Heavy is the first time that there's something that's arguably even in the super heavy class, or somewhere between heavy and super heavy. And showing that you can launch a giant rocket and have it be commercially viable, carry satellites, potentially carry people. Falcon Heavy is capable of actually taking a Dragon mission, taking people around the moon.
Is there any update on that, by the way?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Space travel, once a distant dream, has evolved dramatically over the past 6 decades. From the historic Apollo moon landings to the cutting-edge technology of today, humanity's journey into the cosmos has been a story of persistence, innovation, and collaboration. The first giant leap came on July the 20th, 1969, when Neil Armstrong set foot on the lunar surface, declaring, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." This moment marked the pinnacle of NASA's Apollo program, a monumental achievement that demonstrated humanity's ability to reach beyond Earth. But after the Apollo missions, space exploration entered a period of slower progress, largely limited to low Earth orbit missions like those of the Space Shuttle. For decades, space was seen as the domain of superpowers, government-driven and prohibitively expensive. However, the landscape began to change in the 21st century, driven by the emergence of private companies with a fresh vision for space. Among these companies, SpaceX, founded by Elon Musk in 2002, has played a pivotal role in reinvigorating space exploration. Musk's ambition to reduce the cost of space travel and eventually colonize Mars has been a driving force behind SpaceX's innovations. However, the broader space community has also played an essential role in pushing the boundaries. For example, Dr. Robert Zubrin, an aerospace engineer and advocate for Mars exploration, once said, "The science of today is the technology of tomorrow." Zubrin's work, particularly through his advocacy for the Mars Direct plan, has influenced the direction of both NASA and private companies in considering Mars as a viable destination. The development of reusable rockets, a concept once thought to be science fiction, became a reality with SpaceX's Falcon 9. Reusability was a game changer, significantly reducing the cost of launching payloads into space. But SpaceX was not alone in its pursuit of this revolutionary technology. Jeff Bezos's Blue Origin, with its New Shepard rocket, also successfully demonstrated reusable launch capabilities. As astrophysicist Neil deGrasse Tyson put it, "Space exploration is a force of nature unto itself that no other force in society can rival." Tyson's words underscore the collective drive of humanity to explore the unknown, a drive that has now extended beyond governmental agencies to include private visionaries. In 2018, SpaceX launched the Falcon Heavy, the most powerful operational rocket since the Saturn V. This was a significant milestone, not just for SpaceX, but for the entire space industry. The rocket's ability to carry heavy payloads into deep space opened new possibilities for missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. However, SpaceX is not the only player in this new space race. NASA, collaborating with international partners and private companies, continues to lead the charge in deep space exploration, exemplified by the Artemis program, which aims to return humans to the Moon and eventually send them to Mars. Elon Musk's vision of making life multiplanetary has culminated in the development of Starship, a fully reusable spacecraft designed to carry humans to Mars and beyond. But it's important to remember that this vision is part of a broader movement, one that includes countless engineers, scientists, and dreamers from around the world. As former NASA Administrator Charles Bolden once said, "The future belongs to those who prepare for it today." This sentiment captures the essence of the current era of space exploration, an era defined by collaboration, innovation, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. Today, as we look up at the night sky, we are reminded that space is no longer just a distant frontier. It is a destination within our grasp, thanks to the combined efforts of visionaries like Elon Musk, as well as the many scientists, engineers, and pioneers who continue to push the boundaries of what is possible. The stars, once symbols of mystery, are now within reach, and the journey to explore them has only just begun.